up every morning with a purpose in my heart. Protecting folks from scammers, it's where I make my start. I'm hunting down the bad guys, leaving fraud behind. 'Cause stopping fraud is making my day. Don't let nobody take my son away. And don't put me in the fraud shadow, 'cause that brings too much sorrow. I'm a fraud fighter standing tall and true. From romance scam artists to the fake tech support calls, I'll shut down every scheme before another victim falls. I'm bringing truth to darkness, turning